Okay, we're now going to be sewing our button. So you need your button out of your small Ziploc bag in your kit. And we're going to use this space right here. So what we do is we typically come from the bottom where we want our button, then we slide the button over. That way we're not trying to poke through and find that hole. Pull till our knot stops us gently. I like to lift it up. And I'm going to go back down through the hole that is on top of it.
Now see how Mrs. Romano is pinching the button? She's holding from the top and the back. They're slippery little buggers, so you do have to hold them in place so they don't slide around while you're stitching them.
Yep. And you're going to do this 3 times now. Gotta I kind of look to the side here. Where did I come up the first time to get through that button? So I'm not poking constantly. Okay, that's gonna be 2. And this is gonna be 3. So I went up and down 3 times. Now I'm gonna come up the other set of holes. Up 1, down 1. That's 2. You can see I'm kind of struggling, so I turn it over and I see where those other stitches are. That tells me where I should go back up. Okay, so now we have nice 2 parallel lines. If you have a 2-hole button, you'll only have 1 set, but with 4 we need 2 sets. Now we're going to shank it. So we're on the back side of our fabric. You can see where our stitches are. To do a shank, which means to wrap around your button, we need to poke through the fabric, but not through the button. See how I'm coming through and it's coming behind that button? The view from the front looks like that. I'm going to pull it till the end, and then I'm going to take the thread and wrap underneath. You can kind of see how it goes underneath there. Once, twice, 3 times. So now I have thread going this way and thread going this way. It makes it nice and strong. Now I have to knot, but I don't want to knot on the front because we always knot on the back. So I have to go back down through my fabric to the back. And then you can either go under some of these stitches and through your loop. And you do that twice. Or you can do the little bit, pick up a little fabric, take your thread, loop it around your needle 3 times, and push it through. And this is how it's going to look at the end.